I'm getting ready to put my sourdough in the oven. I wanted to show you what I've been working on right now with my starter is for a couple of months since I got it going, it's looked like pancake batter. You know, there's no bubbles in it or no nothing. And it might have been a little too much moisture in there. But one thing on accident I found, I mixed a little bit of whole wheat, high gluten flour in there. And then this is what happened. That is one healthy starter right there. Now, the one I got in the oven right now, I'm getting ready to put in the oven. It's been sitting out since Thursday night. Yeah, Thursday night. And we're going to see what it does with this new bubbly batch and the longer ferment, because the dough set up a lot better this time than it has in recent times. So let's see if this new starter is going to get me where I want to with the rise out of my loaf. I'm preheating the oven right now, and we'll get back when I'm done. All right here in the vanity basket, you can see I got bubbles coming up through here, and it's got a nice jiggle to it. So we'll see what it's going to do. I'm going to put this on my little silicone sling. Looks like it's holding its shape. That in there. Now, one thing I say, I did preheat the oven. I preheated the Dutch oven too. I got it set to 450, so I'm gonna come back in 25 minutes and see what it's doing here. All right, my starter's been in there. I cooked it 25 minutes at 450, and now I got 20 minutes with the lid off. I'm gonna pull it out and I'll show you what it looks like. Well, it still turned out kind of flat, but hey, it's got a nice ear in there. Got a good color. It is definitely lighter. I think what the problem this time is when I was doing the bulk ferment, I kept patting it down to make it level, and I think I started pushing out all the gas pockets. So it's only my fourth loaf. I'm no baker by any means, but it's something I started doing, and I'm trying to pass on the what I've learned. So I'm gonna let it cool for an hour, and then I'm gonna cut it open and check out the crumb. And I'll be right back. So I just cut into this loaf. You can see it. Nice crumb, nice bubbles inside there. It's nice and airy. Has a good smell to it. I'm using this knife right here. I just got it off of Amazon. And I'm not an affiliate with Amazon. I'm not sponsored by this Repsakmo company. They make a nice hardwood knife right here with an interchangeable. You could switch it from left to right hand, and it just cut right through this with butter. And did I spend $30-40 from these affiliate sites we see advertising to us? No, I spent $10 on Amazon, and it cut just perfect. So you can do your homework out there, and don't have to be expensive. Just pay attention to what you're doing. Hey, y'all have a good rest of your day.